Are you looking for a way to add an additional stream of income to your business? Have you considered the high demand for mobile ink fingerprinting services? Hi, I am Tommy Watkins, your instructor of Fingerprinting Gurus, and I'm here to introduce to you the mobile ink fingerprinting course. As an entrepreneur, you need to find ways to increase your profitability, and this course provides exactly that. The benefits of this course is twofold. Not only will you learn a valuable skill set that is in high demand, but you can make $50 to $250 for just one ink fingerprinting card. This means that you can easily add a new revenue stream without investing in any expensive equipment or hiring additional staff. Our course is designed for individuals and business alike, allowing you to tailor your learning experience to meet your budget needs. It's self-paced, meaning you can learn at your own speed, fitting around your busy schedule. So why not bet on yourself and be the change you are looking for? Invest in the mobile ink fingerprinting course today and see the benefits for yourself. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn a valuable new skill set and increase your profitability.